Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 7 Cumulative Assessment Variation Shipping. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, medical, nursing, web development, and many more online courses. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all assignments project, art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. And please reach me out for your other courses. I will handle all online courses on MultiLab, Pearson, Sandwich, Mintap, MCGra, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and university. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. First, we will click on enable editing button. The title of assignment is Exp25 Excel Chapter 7 Cumulative Assessment Variation Shipping. I will increase the font size and highlight this title first. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Okay, this is the title Exp25 Excel Chapter 7 Cumulative Assessment Variation Shipping. Now we will move on next. First, I will select this complete instruction file and then increase the font size. Then I will highlight this instruction step by step. Okay, let's start our assignment to solve step by step. Please focus on my laptop screen. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel Chapter 7 Cumulative Assessment Variation Shipping XLS. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson Lab dashboard portal. You can see I have downloaded this file from Pearson portal. You can download this file easily from your school, college, and Pearson portal. I have downloaded from Pearson portal. Click on enable editing button. Now we will start next question. The next question is that question number 2. In question number 2, the week worksheet contain orders received for this week of the March. In cell D7, insert the appropriate date function to calculate the number of days between the date arrived and date ordered. Copy the function to the range D8 to D35. Formula is given in the question. You can see hint. Formula is equal to days into date arrived and date order. We will go to cell D7 in the week worksheet. Okay, press is equal to enter the formula. Formula is given in the question. Days into days date arrived C7 date arrived and date order A7. Simply click on press enter. Okay, press enter. It will be show total days in cell D7. Copy the function to the range D8 to D35. Copy the function to the range D8 to D35. Okay. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 3 of this assignment. The question number 3 is that you want to display the weekday for the arrival dates. In cell E7, insert the weekday function to identify an integer representing the weekday of the date arrived. Copy the function to the range E8 to E35. Formula is given in the question. Hint formula is equal to weekday into date arrived. Okay, we will go to cell E7 in our Excel workbook and then we will enter weekday function. Press is equal to enter weekday function in cell E7 into date arrived, cell C7 date arrived. Formula is given in the question in hint. Okay, press is equal to enter weekday function into C7 date arrived. Press enter. It will be show arrival weekdays in cell E7. Now copy the function to the range E8 to E35. Copy the function to the range E8 to E35. Okay. Now we will move on question number 4. The question number 4 is that you need to format the weekday function result with a custom number format. Select the range E7 to E35, apply the custom number format DDD form and apply center horizontal. Simply, we will select this range E7 to E35. We will select this range, go to the home tab. In the number group, we will open number launcher box and then we will apply custom number format, open number launcher box, go to the custom. We will remove this general enter DDD form, click on OK button. Okay, it will be show weekdays name and apply center horizontal alignment. We will select this, go to the home tab. In the alignment group, we will apply center the horizontally alignment. Now we will move on question number 5. The question number 5 of this assignment is that next you want to display the city name that corresponding with the city air codes. You notice that some airport codes are invalid. You want the function to display an error for these orders so that you can have your assist double check for the order to correct airport codes later. In cell G7, insert the switch function to evaluate the airport code. In cell F7, include mixed cell references to the city name in the range G2 to G4. Use the airport codes as text for the values argument. OS for Austin, DFW for Dallas Fort Worth, and IAH for Houston, and no matches found. The switch function should display the text invalid airport code. Copy the function to the range G8 to G35. Formula is given in the question. Hint formula is equal to switch function into airport code and set references to Austin DFW and set references to Dallas Fort Worth. IEH set references to Houston default text. Basically, in this question, we will go to our cell G7 and then we will insert a switch function in cell G7 and then we will enter this formula which is given in the question. Press is equal to enter switch function in cell G7. Okay, into F7, complete formula is given in the question. You can see formula in the question and you can put here F7 DFW. Okay, focus on my laptop screen. DFW G3 IAS G4 I invalid airport code, invalid airport code. Okay, you can see I have entered this formula and press enter. It will be fine. Well, here copy the function to the range G8 to G35. Okay, I have entered switch function, then I have entered this complete formula which is given in the question. Now we will copy the function down through this complete column G. Okay, now we will move on next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 6. Question number 6, now you want to display the standard shipping cost by city in cell I7. Insert the if-else function to identify the shipping cost based on the airport code and the applicable shipping rates in the range I2 to H4. Enter the airport code in this sequence OS DFW IAH. Use relative and mixed references correctly. If none of the logical tests is true, display the test code error. Build the function should using if error. Copy the function to the range I8 to I35. Okay, you can this focus on my PC screen. Please, if you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. Okay. display text code errors, build the function without if error, copy the function. The formula is given in the hint. You can see this hint. If as function report code is equal to cell references to 24. Okay. Simply we will go to cell I7, then we'll enter if as function, press is equal to, enter if as function and cell I7, and then we will enter this complete formula. Okay, we will enter this formula. F7, F7 is cost like 2. The formula is given in the question, and I am entering this complete formula DFW I3 is Daily Austrian, that is my birth, Austrian. Statement is true. Okay, we will press enter. It will be show shipping cost. Now copy the function to the range I8 to I35. Copy the function to the range I8 to I35. Okay, this is good now. Now we will move on. Next question of this assignment is question number 7. I have done 6 questions so far. The question number 7 is that now you want to calculate a partial shipping refund if two conditions are met. In cell F7 result an if function with the nested AND function to determine shipping refund. The AND function should ensure both conditions are met. Both conditions are met. The days is greater than total days delivery goal C3 and order total is equal to greater than order total. There should sell C2 if both conditions are met. The refund is 50%, sell C4 of the shipping cost, otherwise the refund is $0. Use mix reference as needed. Copy the function to the range J8 to J35. Formula is given in the hint. You can see simply we will enter a function with a nested AND function in cell J7. We will go to our Excel workbook and then we will enter if function with nested AND function. Press is equal to enter. Okay. Insert an if function with nested AND function. Okay, now we will enter this complete formula which is given in the question. Okay, formula is given in the question D7 greater than C3. Total days delivery goals is equal to C2 into I7 total days, sorry, I7 shipping cost. Okay, then we will then we will press enter. It will be show shipping refund. Now simply copy the function to the range J to J35. Okay, copy down the function through cell J to J35. Okay, now we will move on next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 8. You can see on my PC screen I have done 7 questions so far of this assignment. The question number 8 is that the percentage ship refund column should calculate the percentage of the shipping costs that are refunded. For orders that have an invalid code in the airport code column, the formula result is hash value. You want to display a text message for these orders. In cell K7 enter an if error function that divide the shipping refund by the shipping cost. Display code error if the error result from the calculation. Copy the function to the range K8 to K35. Simply we will go to cell K7, enter an if error function that divide the shipping refund by the shipping cost. Okay, we will go to cell K7, press is equal to, okay, enter if error function. Okay. Then shipping cost divided by shipping cost and divided by code. Shipping cost divided by shipping refund, and then we enter error code, then we press enter. Now copy the function to the range k8 to k35. You can see I have done this question so well. I have done 8 questions of this assignment so far. The total question of this assignment is 22. I have done 8 to 10 questions in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description. My WhatsApp link is given in the description, and my WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all assignments project. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. I am handling many students courses on MATLAB, Pearson, Cengage, Mintab, MC Grail, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, likes my video. Best of luck to my students. Thank you so much.